Hello guys, Vortex here. Welcome back to a new tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can install the Claude Code CLI directly in your terminal using Windows. So let's get started. To get started, we are going to visit this website. I will leave a link in the description down below. And if you're on Windows, you're going to follow this tutorial. Otherwise, there's the documentation. Otherwise, there is the documentation if you have like Mac OS or Linux. You can just use these commands instead. Just visit this page and you will find every instruction for your operating system. Since this is a Windows tutorial, since this is a Windows tutorial, we are going to be using the Windows commands on this website. So we are going to copy this command and then we are going to open PowerShell. After opening PowerShell, we are going to paste the command that we just copied from the website. And now we wait. Let me just check if it's downloading something here in the task manager. You can see that Windows PowerShell is indeed using network, and that's how you know that it's installing something, which is Claude Code CLI in this case. Let me go ahead and close that for now. And now we just keep waiting. I will speed up the footage and get back to you when it's done. All right, and when you see this, that's how you know that the installation of Claude Code CLI is complete. And now we can go ahead and get back to the documentation and follow the instructions. We are going to copy this and paste it, which is basically Claude. All right, and now we type in Claude. Now, if this error shows up, I'm going to show you how to fix it right now. So we go back to the page here and we are going to visit this page. I will leave the link in the description also. And we are going to go to the Windows troubleshooting part and we are going to go here. Claude is not recognized. And we are going to copy this. Now we need to paste this command that we copied from the website. Press enter, and after that we need to restart PowerShell. So we go here, PowerShell again. Let me zoom in. And now when we type in Claude, it should work. And as you can see, we get this. We are going to do /login. And then we are going to select the login method, either a Claude account with a subscription, Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise, or if you have an API key, you can do that. Or if you have an API key from Amazon Bedrock, Microsoft Foundry, which is also known as Microsoft Azure, or Vertex AI, you need to use the third option. And after doing that, you will be set up and you can use Claude Code directly on your terminal to access directories and create new files, edit code, and do whichever task you wanted to do. I hope this tutorial has helped you, and I'll see you in the next video. Vortex out.